Welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how dynamic earth works and how you can control different things using parameters and how you can use it. So first of all, I want to show you what we have in here in the assets. So this is the dynamic earth and there are blueprint, one map, some materials, meshes and textures. So let's open each folder and see what we have in here. So currently we are playing in background, so you can see. Just for a better look, I can just click on dynamic earth and we have some parameters here. So I will just set to night. I will set some good angle, then good angle here also. Yeah, this looks better. Yeah, and now explore what we have inside folders. So this is the blueprint. There is one blueprint actor called BB Dynamic Earth. You can see we already have that in our scene. So this is the Dynamic Earth blueprint actor. Then we have map. This is example map, which we are already open. We have already open, and there are some materials which we are utilizing. So there are like separate materials for cloud, water, earth, starfield, night earth, day earth, satellite earth, flat color earth, watercolor, and like so many things. So these are the different materials, and don't worry, you don't have to set up anything manually. Everything is ready to use. As you can see on my screen, I'm just explaining how we are achieving these things. And there is one MPC asset, so which actually we are using for controlling all the material parameters. So this is where all magic happening, and this is like kind of ordering each material to do the magic. Then we have a mesh. This is high poly mesh to achieve good quality earth sphere, and we are also utilizing nanite. So we are also utilizing nanite for this mesh. So your project needs to your project need to have like a nanite enabled. But if you are downloading this project, so there is nanite is already enabled in this project, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you are thinking to migrate this in other projects, so you just have to turn on nanite in that other project. So yeah, in this project you already have nanite enabled, so you don't have to worry. So you can just download it and it will work magically. Then we have all the textures which we are utilizing to achieve this effect. So there is a earth height map. This is I think 10K height map. Then there are border texture, cloud texture, flat color earth texture, black and white mask. Then there are different night lighting colors, so you can have like a orange night light, and also you can just change colors in the material. Then these are the satellite images of earth, like these are the 16K high resolution satellite earth images, and this is very performant. Then we have a star field texture also. So these are the all asset we have inside here. Let's come to the main point, how we can control and what exactly the point of all these assets. So we are currently we are like playing the game, and you can do this in editor mode also. So it works same. So setup is ready for that. So we have this actor, and I just selected this actor, and as you can see we have some parameters in here. So you can see there is a section for dynamic earth, and there is one section for dynamic earth sun. So using this you can control day, night and sun angles. So you have a full control on where to position your sun, so it's not a static stun. And then you can control height, boundary, cloud, satellite, and colors also, like the boundary, like the border colors. So let's see what happens. Just try something here. So if I just go from night to day, it will just turn off lights. But to like get a full day effect, for that we have to move our sun also. So turning off light will not move sun, so for that you have to adjust your sun position also. So I'm just resetting it, so it automatically comes to, so the default values are set to daylight. So yeah, it automatically comes to daylight. and you can just turn on night, and you can control all these things from your blueprint logic. And I have a blueprint example also, so you can like easily utilize and control these things in blueprint. It's not a very hard thing to control from blueprint. I will show that. Then so these are the float values we are using to control the effect on earth. So when we are going from night, then we can just move our sun to night position, and yeah, you can see very beautiful night here. Then we have a ground height, then boundary color. So you can see we have currently the blue boundary color, and you can see we have night as a blue boundary color. So if you want to make this boundary color white, you can just go here and select the color, and you can see our color is already white. If you want red color, you can just pick. So you can use this color picker to just set any color you want. So yeah, you can set any color. And uh, when you are on day, so if when you are on zero value in here, you will utilize this color. So why we are doing day and night with separate colors? Because uh, you may need some scenes where you need like a good to for good visuals. You can control day border color separately and night border color separately. That's why we have two separate parameters, and you can keep both same if you want. So that's why we have two different and separate parameters for day and night border colors. Then we have a satellite to flat color clouds. As you can see, we there are clouds moving, so you can increase the cloud intensity or cloud what we say cloud opacity using this slider. So when we are on one, so this is like the cloud opacity, and when we are on zero, it makes cloud invisible. So yeah, so zero point 0.5 is a good value. So this is how cloud looks. You can make it denser, and also you can swap textures also if you want, but this is like a example project. And we have a boundary brightness here, so you can just make boundaries more bright. You can make them blown away. If we go close, you can see boundaries are shining because we are like over brightening them. So yeah, so you can control brightness also, and if you go in minus, it will just turn off the boundaries. So you have full control on brightness also. Then uh, then there is a parameter to control ground height. So let's see what exactly the ground height does. So for that, to see the effect, we need some light. So for that, we have to reset everything to come to our daylight. So for that, we will move on some ice island, so you can see how exactly the how exactly the like the ground height works. Okay, so as you can see, there are some glaciers, and you can just adjust glacier height using this ground height parameter. So you can just slide this, and you can control the ground height, and this is like a real world height. So you can see these mountains are popping up already, you can see. And this is this is completely based on the real world height. So we are currently flying over Dubai. This is India. You can see there is a Himalaya mountains going on there, and cloud is cloud is also going away. I'm just moving on here, so you can see we can control like the proper ground height, whatever you want. Yeah, so this is what we have here. I think you got the idea what we can do with this. You can just create different effects using multiple different parameter options. As you can see, if I go night, then adjust the sun Z, then adjust sun position. Yeah, you can like create good interesting visuals using this. Yeah, it's very means you have to just keep tweaking value and you will find the good visuals using this actor. So yeah, that's it for this video. And you can see this is the actor we are using. This is there is a blueprint example how we are doing this magic. And yeah, so you can just understand the whole thing using this simple blueprint. uh, yeah, and that's all we have in here. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.